Understanding Out of Turn, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, out of turn. This phrase is often used in English conversations and can be a bit confusing for learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it correctly. Out of turn is an idiomatic expression in English. It's used to describe an action or a comment that is inappropriate, untimely, or not in the correct order. The phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal meetings. It's important to understand the nuance of this phrase as it can significantly impact the tone and meaning of what you're saying. To better understand out of turn, let's look at some examples. In conversations, he spoke out of turn during the meeting, interrupting the speaker. In actions, taking a dessert out of turn before the host offered it was seen as rude. In games or cues, playing a card out of turn in a card game can disrupt the game's flow. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in different scenarios. Notice how it often implies a breach of etiquette or rules. When learning this phrase, be cautious not to confuse it with similar expressions. For instance, out of turn is different from turn out, which means to result or end up. Also, don't use out of turn to describe physical turns, like turning a corner. Understanding idiomatic expressions like out of turn is a great step in mastering English. Remember, it's about context and usage. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying this common English phrase. Keep practicing, and you'll be using English idioms like a native in no time.